Respected principal sir, professors, faculty members, first of all, I would like to congratulate Anil for 80 years, 48 years in the professional career. At the same time, I would also like to welcome on behalf of the staff and college. All of you have said very good things about our staff. Also, at the same time, very vulnerable, emotional. I have known him from very close quarters as I share the same department, sociology. And of late, I'm also in the examination department. I have worked under him. I have seen him working. I have known him for his energy, multi-dimensional man. All in all, he is a very giving person. He came to this college in 2007. That is the first time I met him. The first thing he said, where is your department? We took him to the department, it was a small department. He had only 3 students at that time. Gradually, we shifted our department. We got a very big room. And from in those 5 years, I have been associated with Dr. Anil. The department progressed from 3 students, UG and PG. Today we are having around 55 students in the Department of Sociology. Thank you, sir, for all the support. And at the same time, one thing which makes him stand out is his sociability. Be it formal sociability, be it non-formal sociability. He is always there. As all good things come to the end, but the end also marks a very good beginning, a new beginning. And this beginning, that is after 65 years, it's time for introspection, retrospection, and future strategies. We will miss you, sir, the department. We do not know how we will go about without you, but we will try because you have taught us the trades, be it university, be it department, be it classes. And one thing I remember, when we first met, we were making the timetable. That was your first timetable in this college. And the subjects and papers were divided. You said, छुट्टी पे कोई भी होगा, लेकिन क्लास खाली नहीं जानी चाहिए. And that is what we have followed till today. हम लोगों में छुट्टी में कोई भी रहेगा, लेकिन आपने ये कहा था कि कोई बच्चा ये नहीं कहे कि आज क्लास नहीं हुई. And we have followed that. At the same time, looking at your energy, I realize that you are spiritual also. I've never shared all these things with you. You have an emotional side, you have a spiritual side. You are a different personality, which people might not realize. You have a very exclusive personality. And we have gained a lot from you. We are very small, too small for you, that we can give you anything apart from love. All I can say, since you are retiring, I wish you all the best. And it is according to your personality. You are never old, you are always young. And it is high five at 65. Thank you so much.